Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do a 3-strand twist. So working on freshly washed hair, I'm going in with Curl Mousse by Bask and Bloom. And I am using this to thoroughly detangle my hair. I am using this as a styler, but just look at all of that definition. I'm also using Vanilla Cream Custard by Girls Dynasty, and this is going to give me more hold for this twist. So as you can see, I'm already starting, and the essential thing that you want to think of is that you're creating a rope. It's not a braid, but you just are taking the 3 pieces and basically twirling them all around each other. And don't worry, I will slow it down and zoom in so you can get a little bit more of an idea. So working with 3 pieces for this one section, I'm taking one on one side and then bringing over the next one and then bringing over that one. And that essentially made one twist, but then the more that you keep twirling all 3 of them, you're basically creating a twist and then another layer on top of that twist. And essentially it creates the pattern of a rope. And while you're doing it, you just move the next one over that's closest to you and just keep going. And then once I get pretty much midway towards the ends, that's when I start to just twirl that around my finger and leave it like that. And then I'll let these dry, and this is about 2 days later. They're completely dry. I'm going in with hair oil by Cryo Botanicals, and I'm making sure to use this to unravel the twist. Now, in my opinion, taking them out is way easier than even putting them in, because you can just kind of pull on one section and just move the other ones around and they'll just naturally go away. So it's actually a lot easier to take them out and faster, in my opinion, than even a regular twist. But that is key in making sure that your hair was really detangled before you install them. And just look at that definition. Like, I just love it. Now, you can separate your hair as much as you like. I do it kind of midway, according to how I'm feeling, but you can do it as desired as you want. But that is pretty much it. So, fairly simple, right? And I just have to zoom in on my makeup because yes, I was feeling myself. But anyway, that is pretty much it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give me a like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.